So this is how we do business. Many of the YouTube project folks generate a kickback from advertisers, and that's totally fine. We have chosen a member approach for 4 key reasons. Number 1, we can maintain a totally unbiased approach based solely on personal experience. Number 2, we have incentive to keep searching for ever better content. Number 3, we want to be able to assist our members as much as possible. I've been in your shoes. Number 4, we want to keep our site as uncluttered as possible. Our goal is to save you time, money, and frustration while connecting you with tips and insights that will be worth our subscription many, many times over. Like I said, I strive to treat others the way I like to be treated. I encourage you to become a member. At $30 a year, it's one of the best investments you'll make, and it includes a 6-month money-back guarantee, no questions asked. Put all of our resources at your fingertips in less time than it takes to make a peanut butter sandwich. You'll be glad you did. For your information, we also believe in good causes, and as such, a portion of each membership goes to World Vision to help provide safe drinking wells to those less advantaged around the world.